Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. It's been a while since we've updated Litecoin here on this channel. I have today covered it for our gold members as part of a request in our membership. So I thought I'll do a quick video because a lot of people asked for Litecoin recently. But we keep it high level because there isn't really anything exciting happening on this chart. We're moving in a triangle. This is the weekly chart. We're moving in a sideways triangle. As you can see, the market hasn't really done anything nothing exciting, you could say, since the 2017 bull market. Okay, yep, we rallied here in 2021 just about to a new high. So at least, okay, but only in 3 waves. You can see that only in 3 waves. So this is clearly a B wave or a corrective rally only. And yeah, I mean, we're now moving just in corrective patterns. A 3-wave decline into the June lows, 2022, and now a 3-wave rally. But you can see that the momentum is just not there. I don't see anything clearly bullish here on this chart, not until a first 5-wave pattern to the upside emerges. Because, I mean, you can count that in different ways, all of this, right? We could even find a bearish count. Therefore, I'm saying I'm not going to get excited about this chart until I see a first impulse that would indicate the start of wave 5. Because what would be a bearish count? So first of all, let's talk about this one. So first of all, this is an Elliott Wave triangle. If you're looking for a stop from an Elliott Wave point of view, it would be this level. It's the C wave. That's the invalidation point for the triangle. Why is that the case? Because a triangle, well, in this case, an E wave must not move below the low of the C wave. Just doesn't work. That's the invalidation point of the micro pattern, and that's there is no triangle anymore below that level, the A wave low, the 2018 low at basically $22.50. Why are there 2 different invalidation points? Oops. Well, invalidation 2. It's because if we break below the 22 low, you could still argue that maybe the triangle is simply extending. But then that's speculative, because then we first have to see if the C wave can form a low. But below the A wave low, that there is just no triangle anymore. So yeah, this is a possible triangle that it might need another higher low in wave E before breaking out to the upside. The question is it going to do that before Bitcoin completes the bull market? If it hasn't really done anything exciting yet, tricky. I mean, that's just one scenario I'm looking at here. Certainly, this is one that is worth following, where we have clear invalidation points. And I'm not even sure if the D wave has really topped. So that's the other thing. It's not even clear if the D wave has topped. So therefore, because it's all moving in corrective structures, right? However, a break above the last highs could indicate an upside breakout. So we're currently just in a range, and the upside breakout point is at around $113.20. Certainly nothing too exciting until we break out of this range here to the upside. If it then is a breakout in 5 waves, then yeah, and we have a setup. But yeah, I don't see anything too exciting. Now, from a bearish point of view, we might even say that the entire move up from the 2015 lows was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only 3 waves up, so I count it as a B wave. But if we consider this as a diagonal, then this might be a wave 1. Then we have an A wave down. We might be working on a B wave, and it might not come to a new high. And then we come down in wave C, and we have a wave 2 there. So that would be a bearish, you could say a bearish alternative. I will put that onto the chart as well. Then we've got here wave 1. So, and that would be alternative alt 1. And then we have alt 2 down here. And again, it's this is probably what's going to happen if the market cannot complete the triangle before Bitcoin completes. So if this is probably what's going to happen if Litecoin cannot break out until Bitcoin completes the bull market. So if within the bull market we can't see an upside breakout, it's not going to do it in the bear market. I mean, I'm happy to be impressed, but it's just not likely. So that's sort of how I see Litecoin at the moment. It's only moving in corrective patterns, and it has been doing so for many, many years. Similar to XRP, actually. The only difference is XRP actually didn't form a new high in 2021. Litecoin just about managed to do it, but it could be a so-called running triangle pattern. For XRP, I'm also tracking a very similar structure. That's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.